everyone, my name is Claire Stevenson and welcome to my Ayurvedic kitchen. The dogs.
How's my hair, how's my nails, how's my everything?
Our coconut chia dessert has been in the oven.
So this is just
From the top. If you notice that I don't put the lid on, make a massive fuss.
now I'm known to have made this mistake before.
That could really go wrong.
Shoot cancelled.
And we're going to blend it all up. Maybe you want to take it to the side. We're almost there. One last. Do I have to do that again?
No. No, do you think so?
Let's not. No, please don't ask me to do the whole day again. Should I stop eating?
Yes.